Hi, this is Joe with Certum Solutions. Today we're going to talk about starting a Shopify store. The first step is to create an account with Shopify. Just visit shopify.com, click on the Start Free Trial, and follow the questions on the screen to get set up. If you want, you can skip these questions and get right to creating an account. Just follow the prompts. After you've got an account and you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home screen, which is what you see here. Home screen is going to have a little dashboard of your sales history, and it's going to have a list of some tasks that Shopify is suggesting for you to complete to get your store set up and work on building sales. The next tab is the Orders tab. This is where you'll view your orders, create returns, and issue refunds. You can even create manual orders from this screen. And you have your Products tab. This is where you'll create, edit, and import products. Customers tab, you can view your customers here. You can also import your customers from your current system. Content tab is images, videos, and meta object definitions. Finances tab, this is where you're going to see some metrics on your finances, your earnings, and your payouts and settlements. The Analytics tab, this is going to tell you where your traffic's coming from, your conversion rates, your order you need to know to see how you're performing. Marketing tab, this is where you're going to create your marketing campaigns. And then discounts, this is where you'll create your coupon discounts and your automatic discounts. The first step to getting started with your store is go to the online store tab and select a theme. By default, Shopify will put you in the Dawn theme, which is perfectly fine to get started with. They also have a couple additional free themes. Or if you want, you can explore the Shopify theme store to look for a paid for theme. The next step is to add your products. Just click on the Products tab, click on Add Product, and fill in all the fields on the page here. You can also import your products using a text file or a comma-separated file if you have a product list from a previous system or another website. After your products are added, you want to configure the details of the site, and that's done down here in the Settings tab. From there, you're going to set up your payment gateway, set up your shipping and delivery policies, your locations, your branding, everything you need to get the store up and running. From here, you can also customize your domain name. If you've already got a domain name, you can link it from here, or you can buy a new domain from Shopify. That's always an option. After you have everything set up, I recommend you visit your store and place a test order. You want to add an item to the cart, continue all the way through checkout, and be certain that the order appears in your store backend and the finances are hitting your bank account. Those are the basic steps in setting up a Shopify site. Remember, building a successful online business takes time and effort. Be patient, stay committed, and focus on providing value to your customers. We appreciate you watching this video. Be sure to like the video if it was helpful and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot and have a great day.